Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about the lot next to me here. Say it's a lot of land, I guess. We just moved out here on 10 acres, and my neighbor owns this little property next to us. I think it's 11 acres total, 15, I don't know, somewhere in there. But anyway, he's wanting to get some of this kind of cleared out. He had talked about selling it. I think he had it listed for sale for a while. Got a little interest, but not quite for the price he was wanting for it. So anyway, he's going to try to get some of this cleaned up. He's bringing in a guy today that's going to get a little work done and get some stuff moved out. But I wanted to get a little bit of video to kind of see what it is before. You can't really see it now, and I don't want to just wade off through there. Kind of snaky and all, but there's definitely a lot of the sticker bushes, and you can see this drone video I took once the guy showed up. This is on a 4x. I sped the video up 4 times just to make it go a little faster, because otherwise it was like 15 minutes of this guy blowing through these. The things he's going through now are just those horrible sticker bushes. I don't know what you call the stupid things. We had them all over our 10 acres when we first moved in. We've gotten rid of a lot of it already, just manually, but I think every tower I own on my golf cart and my lawnmower and everything, I've been patching the crap out of them, because those stickers, I mean, they're probably a good 1 to 2 inch stickers depending on how big the bush is. And so I know the owner wanted to get rid of those, and that's the biggest thing he wanted the guy to come out and do with his brush cutting drum there. So if you don't want to watch any more of the drone video, this is a lot of the same thing here. The guy just kind of going back and forth. You can scoot forward to I think it's about 3.5 minutes, somewhere around there, and you'll get to a little more footage. I have a little footage later of him cutting down a tree or so, but anyway, and also I got some footage of him driving the tractor kind of close to my house, so I can get some good pictures of the thing. It's I'm not sure if you say FECON. I think it's a FTX-150, something like that. But anyway, you can see it a little better when they get close here in a few minutes. But he definitely took out a lot of the sticker bushes over there. I'm really not sure right there what he's trying to get, unless he's trying to build a road over on that side of the house, which I'm totally fine with. I'm totally fine with them not wanting to put the road right up against the property line, which would be fairly close to our house. So I'm hoping they get it pushed off a little bit. The guy that had the land, he had 150 acres-ish, something like that. He sold the 10 that we're on, and then the builder built the house and we bought it. And then he sold 60, which you can't really see the 60 even on the other side of the trees. That's still mostly for sale. There's one house over there, well, a couple of houses over there he sold off the road, but he's got another, is it 80 acres? I don't remember how much he's got left over there. He's trying to sell too, but it's mostly this. There's not a lot of land that is wooded. Almost all of it is pasture land. That's what we have. You can kind of see now to the left is our land, kind of the start of our 10 acres there. Where the fence line is, it's kind of wobbly right now because we haven't pounded them in the ground. We just kind of stuck them where we want to put the T-posts. Everything beyond that, we homestead 1 acre, but the other 9 acres right now we're just using for hay. We just had the hay cut, raked, and baled. We ended up getting 17 bales out of it, large round bales. There's pictures of the tractor going by, and now it's going to start up here, and you'll be able to watch him take out the tree. Now, it is sad he took out this tree, because there were, I don't know if the cardinals lived in there, but there were a ton of cardinals that hung out in that tree all the time. I'm hoping their nests weren't there, which is the saddest part about any of this when you're clearing lots, is you're just destroying wildlife habitat. But I mean, it's his land, he can do what he wants to with it at this point. But you know, I really would like to buy that little bit of land from him. There's a couple acres up front there that would, to me, would just go perfect with our land that we have now, and just extend our homesteaded area just a little bit. I don't necessarily know if I'd want to make that hay, but I would at least get it cleaned up. And, you know, granted, I probably would not have brought in somebody to clear this. I would have wanted to do it myself. I would have waited till the winter and been out there every weekend, you know, hauling off brush, cutting it down, hauling it off, and get a big burn pile going. But definitely this is the easy way to go. I mean, it pretty much turned that tree into mulch. You know, it's shocking when I go over there and look at it now. There's just nothing there but mulch. It's amazing. Kind of afraid too. I was going to watch my neighbor get ran over there a couple times. Seemed to walk kind of behind the tractor a little bit, but luckily nobody got injured in the making of this video. Now he's going to kind of show him the area he wants to go, and I'm really not sure what he's doing with this part. When he rode me around over there on his mule and kind of showed me what he was doing and where all he was going to do work, he didn't really talk about taking it down there. I think he said he used to have a road over there that he could kind of get to the back part of the land through. So I'm assuming maybe that's what he's trying to do, is to get that land cleared enough that he can make the road again, get the road figured out. So he's kind of giving instructions now where he wants it to go. So he's gonna, and I know he's been over there looking around a lot since it got cleared, so I'm assuming he's trying to figure out if he can get that road functional there again. It's obviously been a few years since there was a road there, but so all these shots, all the shots that I've been showing so far, except for the drone shot, obviously, are from inside my house, just looking out a window out of the two-story, one of the two-story rooms, looking down. So you don't get a lot of the sound on this. In a little bit, I'll move outside to film a little bit of it, and then obviously you're going to get a little more of the noise from the tractor itself going on. Oh, got my finger in the way there. It's bad filming. I guess I was getting tired of holding the camera. These guys came out and worked for a total of about 8 hours. I rode back there on the mule with the neighbor at one point to see where they were, and they were off in the woods, kind of, again, clearing a pathway through there. I'm kind of hoping he doesn't clear all of the woods. I kind of like having that to look at outside my window instead of just a big lot of cleared land, but unfortunately it's his property. He can do what he wants to do with it, but maybe one of these days he'll make me a deal on it and I'll be able to buy it and add it into my land, and I can keep the bigger trees and kind of clean it up a little bit and make it part of what I'm mowing to kind of keep it under control, because right now, even with what's left, you're going to need a bush hog to get down in there and get that cleaned up, or maybe a flail mower or something, but you're going to have something to kind of clean it up a little bit. Alright, so I know you lost it right now. If you need to hop ahead to about 9 minutes, well, about 9.5 minutes or so, then we'll be able to, you'll see when I walk outside and get a little bit better view of what's going on right now. Because I know it's just a lot of, I'm kind of going back and forth. Can't really see what he's doing. And I planned on taking the drone up again and getting some more footage of what he's doing. My problem was my battery had went down so quick. It's a problem with having an older drone, I guess. It's a old DJI Phantom 3 standard. It's the original battery in there. It's just a little bit older. So now I've transitioned outside. But anyway, let you see a little bit more on the ground level now. You can see a little more of what we're doing. I'll move in a minute and kind of get over a little bit away from here. Again, he's now trying to show the guy what he wants, and now I'm up a little more so you can see what's going on still. I'm kind of up to the front of my property, almost out in the road at this point, but I'm gonna walk over here and see if I can rest my arm on the trash can. So see, I really wish I was elevated a little bit here to get some better shots. Before long, I'm going to end up going back in, get a few more shots from inside. It was very hot on this day. I think I started talking. They worked 8 hours on this day. I don't know the daily or their hourly rate, but I'm sure it's pretty pricey. And I know they came back out a few days later and worked another couple of hours on another spot he was wanting to get fixed up. So I don't know if that means they've got everything that he was expecting done or not, or if they're coming back later, but yeah, it is amazing how quick you can get through this with the machine. I mean, granted, I could go in and manually take out that, or he could. You know, you just take a saw and then you're going to be trying to kill all the little stumps that are left behind. But man, the way they do it, and then they just come back over it like that and just ground up everything on the ground itself. It's pretty amazing. And we're just about done. He's getting to the point there's not a whole lot left here he's going to be doing today. Pretty awesome seeing those blades going. Maybe from one window to the other there so you can get a different view. Of course, now we're just watching him drive away for the next 15 seconds or so, and we're about done. But hey, guys, I would really appreciate it if you have any questions, comments, tell me how great, how sucky this video was, whatever, it's totally fine. Love to get a like. Feel free to subscribe. I got a lot of videos coming out I'm working on. This is really not the kind of video I normally post. I'm always fascinated by tractors and big tractors, so I thought I would take a video of this and post it. But please subscribe. I do a lot of DIY, a lot of stuff related to the farm. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good day.